Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jed Albring and welcome to this ClickFunnels training video. So in this video, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you three training options, three ClickFunnels training options. I'm going to show you two free and one paid. So if you're serious about getting started with ClickFunnels, the paid option is going to be more intense and it's going to be your best option. However, I'm going to give you two free options that are still fantastic. So the first one I want to show you is the first free option. Now, a lot of people don't know about this ClickFunnels training, but it is called Funnel Fridays. Now, before I begin with this, if you do stick around to the end, I'm actually going to show you how you can get a free ClickFunnels detailed, fantastic bonus training that I have for you as well. So I do have actually a fourth, but you got to stick around to the end. So this one here is called Funnel Fridays. Now, I use this all the time. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I refer friends, clients, you name it, to this site. So it's absolutely free. And what it is Funnel Fridays, guys. Every Friday, or just about every Friday, Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels or co-founder of ClickFunnels, and Jim Edwards, who is head copywriter, fantastic copywriter and a marketer and a funnel builder. He is also the co-creator of Funnel Scripts with Russell Brunson that writes all your scripts, your landing pages, everything for ClickFunnels. So what they do is every Friday, the two of them get together and they build a funnel. So they build funnels that people have, I don't know if they call in or email in, or it's not like a radio show, but they basically say, hey, my funnel sucks, will you fix it, right? Maybe they don't use those words, but they say, hey, I need help. So maybe they're not getting enough leads, they're not getting enough sales. And then Russell and Jim basically go through it and say, hey, this is what I would do. And they actually rebuild the funnel live. And then what's really cool is when it's over, you can actually download the funnel for free. So if you have a ClickFunnels account, you just download it and the funnel pops up. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, don't worry, you can click here and start a free trial and start using the funnel. So what's great about this is I think this is actually fantastic training because they talk you through each step of the way. Now, if you want really detailed stuff on CSS, HTML, this isn't the place for it, but it will show you how to, build your funnel, do your steps, and there'll be some basic training on things like adding images and changing text and things like that. But all that stuff is really easy, guys. That's just drag and drop. For me, the most important part is knowing how to piece the funnels together so they're successful. And so you get more leads and so you make more money. So Funnel Fridays, I'll put a link below, guys. The next option, which is a free option, is the Affiliate Bootcamp. So even if you're not an affiliate marketer, guys, this is an absolutely fantastic training. You'll find a lot of people who use ClickFunnels also affiliate for ClickFunnels because it's such a great affiliate program. But this is updated as of this video. So we're in July. I think it was June of 2019 they updated this. It's killer. It's insane. You will learn a ton from this training, whether you're an affiliate or not. They're going to talk about building funnels, and it's also going to teach you how to get to 100 ClickFunnels users in 100 days. And once you get to 100 ClickFunnels users, they actually pay for your car. They give you $500 a month towards the car of your choice. Plus, you get recurring commissions. So they pay 40% commissions. So check this out. This is free. Go through the training. It's fantastic. Now, the last one is the paid option. This is $100. But if you're serious about getting started with ClickFunnels, guys, this is the place to go. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, at the time of the recording, the next one starts August 4th. So register now. I believe they're running them either every month or every quarter now. I went through the first one when they started it, and it was so popular that they're running it, on a regular basis now. So I highly recommend you get in on this. I'm going to put a link below. If you're, an existing business and you want to start adding sales funnels to your business, then you definitely want to go this route. If you're an entrepreneur and you want to sell your products and services, you definitely want to go this route. If you're brand new and you know this is what you want to do and you're serious about growing an online business, this is what you want to do. I have spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on training over the years. I've traveled, I've gone to events, things like that. For $100, guys, this training will knock your socks off. What's really cool is you get behind the scenes interviews with 30 million-dollar earners who have used ClickFunnels to earn over $1 million inside of one funnel. So not only do they show you their 30-day plan of what they do to basically go from zero to whatever in 30 days, but they give you their blueprint. Plus, they show you behind the scenes of their actual funnel that they built to make $1 million. So that in itself, guys, is worth $100. I don't know about you, but $100 to hear 30 millionaires give you their business plan, I think it's worth a lot more than that. So check it out. I'll put the link below. Now, finally, that bonus I told you about, if you want, also with all this other training, you want a more detailed technical training on how to kind of do all the images and CSS and imports and exports and build membership sites and do all that kind of fun stuff, I have a full training on that. If you sign up for any of these, please send me your link from ClickFunnels that you signed up, judd@juddalbring.com, and I will gladly send you that free training. Plus, I'll throw in 10 of my free best funnels and my email swipes for you guys. So click and join below. Yes, I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels. I'm also a user of ClickFunnels. Love this company, love what they do, love this product. Check it out. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.